Now we're going to go for a little tour of these resources that are available to you as an instructor at Central Michigan University. First, we'll start with some Blackboard tutorials. On the Blackboard login page, faculty tutorials are listed under the resources. And then you have many tutorials here, and you can also click on Search All Tutorials. And there are a lot of other items available in the knowledge base under different kinds of categories. You find SBT, Blackboard, Panopto, etc. Another area where you'll find a lot of resources for you are the online teaching resources that Carrie Raymond and I maintain along with our team on a web page. We have course preparation tips, course copy, some course management tips about combined shelves, final grades, and tech tools. And we'll be adding resources from today's session here as well. You're welcome to register for upcoming workshops and events, including a self-paced online teaching experience, self-paced fundamentals of Blackboard, and a lot of other sessions that are offered through CETL. There also is the Faculty Resource Center, which has a lot of information for you, including resources and tools listed at the bottom of the page. You can access Blackboard, the CMU directory, email, early alert referral here, procedures and forms, the library, EOC and grade data, and the Faculty Resource Suppository as well. Also, you can access Syllabus Build Tool through here. This is a very handy link, this page. So let's go into the Faculty Resource Repository. Quite a few pieces of information for you inside this Blackboard course shell.